awesome hair tutorial video. Today I'm doing a blue and purple kind of thing. Here's the inspiration picture. That's what I'm going for, with a little bit of slight variation. So you guys get to see how I do this and what I am going to be using. Of course, all colors are Arctic Fox. I already have my mixtures, so I'm just going to show you real quick what colors I used. So this is my purple mixture. And for that, I used Girls Night and a little bit of Purple Rain. Kind of just using what I have. And then I also, for conditioner, I did dilute it because I'm going for more of a pastel kind of color on top. I just used this. It's just a white conditioner. This is what I had. You can use any cheap conditioner. And then for the blue, I have right here. And for the blue, I used a little bit of Poseidon and Aquamarine. Again, diluted with the white conditioner to get that real pretty blue color. Now what I'm going to do is blue, all of this is separated, blue underneath, and blue tips and streaks kind of through the back of it to simulate that inspiration picture. Something similar to it. But anyways, yeah, so here we go. To get this process started, first I need gloves and a crappy t-shirt. Alrighty, now that I have this shirt that I really don't care about on, hair is ready to go, everything is good to go. Let's get started. To wipe my gloves off in between colors. Next, I am doing the purple on the root or the whole area. And for now, I just decided that the second layer that I pull down will be all the lavender color purple, and then I'll do the blue streaks at the ends on the top layer on the next layers after that. Now, we wait for a total of 5 to 7 hours, and I will rinse it out, and then I'll be back to show you the final result. So guys, this is the final result. So I'm going to show you. Turned out really, really good. I'm super, super happy with it. I'm calling this my cotton candy look because it's like cotton candy. So aside from the funky shadow on the wall, this is what it looks like. We have underneath. And there we go. So if you guys like this video, you like my hair, you want to try it yourself, Leave me a comment below with any questions that you might have. Give me a like if you like this video, you like my hair color, you like how it turned out. Yes. And subscribe for more awesome videos. I always do lots of hair videos. I'm coloring my hair like on a regular basis, at least once a month. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. Lots of good videos coming up soon, so stay tuned and I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.